Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting with a new software tutorial, that is Altium Designer. So already you guys know that it is a very famous software for PCB designs. I am also exploring this software nowadays, especially for the normal PCB designs and flexible PCB design. And definitely I will share my experience to you through my channel. And also please suggest me the topics which you want to explore with me. So today I will share the basics of Altium Designer, that how you can create a project, draw schematics or convert the schematics into PCBs. So here I am using the Altium Designer 22. So at first you will see this type of home screen after opening the software. Now first you have to create a project and save this properly to do further more like schematic and PCB designs. So here you have to go to the file, then in the new you have to click. After that you can see the schematic, the PCB, active bomb, etc. But you have to create the project first. So here you can see that you can edit the project name here and select the path to save the project. So after click on the create option, your project will be created. Now just right click on the project and here you can see that add new project. So you can see that schematic, PCB, active bomb, many more things. So if you want to draw a schematic, then obviously click on schematic. And if you want to draw direct PCB or you want to design direct PCB boards, then click on the PCB. So now just first click on the schematic. So you can see a drawing sheet is opened. So here you can place your components. So in the right hand side you can see there is two options, that is components, and also there is an option for manufacturer part search. So in the components you can see there are multiple parts are present. If you need more specific parts which are not available in the component list, then search it on the manufacturer part search. So for this you have to connect with internet and sign in with your login ID, which can be easily created. Now let's take a MOSFET from the component part list. Just double click on the parts and you can drag it on your schematic easily. So if you double click on the MOSFET, you will get all the properties. Yes, so you can see you can change the designator, like you can give your own parts name like Q1, Q2 or S1, S2, anything which you want. So in the designator comments you can easily visible or invisible these comments according to your need. And in the lower side you can see the footprint. Just click on show. So here you can see this is the SOT343N footprint. You can easily change this footprint also. Just click on edit. So how you can change this footprint? Just click on any, and here from this you can browse the footprint. So there are multiple libraries are present. For me there are, you can see the multiple libraries, but I think you will see the main two libraries, that is miscellaneous devices and the miscellaneous connectors, and the upper libraries which I am already installed in my Altium. So in the miscellaneous device also you can see you can choose your footprint by your own. Just click on this footprint, or like this, or like this one, whatever you want. Just click on OK. the footprint is changed. So in this way you can change your footprint according to your design. One thing you have to keep in mind, first you have to save the schematic, then only you can just convert the schematic into PCB. So first you have to save this project or save this schematic, sorry. So just save this, just give any name, sheet 1 or anything what you want. And after that, after saving the schematic, you have to just create a PCB under this project. So you can see a PCB is opened under your project. So before converting the schematic, you have to save this PCB as well. So just save the PCB on the same path that we have saved your schematics earlier. Save this and now go to the schematic sheet. Then you just click on the design and you can see here that update PCB document to PCB1.pcb document. So after clicking here, so you can see that you have to validate the changes whatever you have done. So if you need any room space in the PCB, then click on it, or otherwise you can uncheck the checkbox and check and click on the validate the changes, and after that just click on execute changes. So after clicking on the execute changes, your schematic parts or your parts is converted into the PCB. That is, in the schematic you can see that is a one MOSFET that is converted into the PCB footprint. So that is how you can create your schematic and convert the schematics into PCB design. So now we will go for manufacturer part search. So suppose you need a IC like TL494. This is a PWM IC. So you can see there is a TL494 IC and the manufacturer of this IC is Texas Instrument. So you can just right click here and you can see a place options is present. So after clicking the place option, you can place the TL494 IC. So just one click on the schematic and your TL494 is successfully placed in the schematic, and just double click on the TL494 IC. So you can see the designator, the comment, and also you can see the description. This is a pulse width modulation control circuit, and here you can see the footprint is present for this particular IC. So just save the schematic first, then go to the design, update the PCB document. So you can see our new parts is present on your schematic. We do not need any room for this particularly. Execute changes. So you can see the parts footprint is updated successfully on the PCB. So I think it is clear to you that how you can create a project and create a schematic, and also how you can convert the schematic into PCB designs, and also how you can choose your exact footprint according to your design requirement. So in the next video I will show you that how you can add a PCB library or add a footprint for your specific parts which is not present in the Altium Designer. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for latest video update, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.